The COVID-19 situation is a concern for all of us, and we continue to follow it multiple times daily. As Scala Roofing, please know that we have implemented the latest CDC guidelines to ensure the safety and well-being of our customers and team members. That's why we're taking extra precautions to keep everyone safe. Our inspections can be performed with or without your attendance, as most of the information can be obtained from satellite view. If needed or desired, we also offer consultations via phone or internet, so there won't be any human interactions. Currently, our office and sales team are working. However, our office will be closed to the public, and any office needs will be attended by appointment only. Our service team will be making limited stops to the warehouse and will be calling to let you know when they have arrived or when they are leaving instead of knocking on your door. Finally, since our work is performed on the rooftop, there is not human contact required. Ensuring the safety and well-being of our team and our customer is the main goal for everything we do at Scala Roofing. Thank you very much.